Hey guys, how y'all doing? Yeah, I'm so excited to be back here. Well, this is Eru Natural Skincare, and I'm so glad to have you all back here in my channel. Well, if you're just stopping by for the first time, feel free go around and check out what we have on our channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Yes. So thank you so much to everyone that has been checking up on me and coming to my WhatsApp to ask why I have not been posting videos. Yes, where I've been so busy. Yes, that's why I have not been here, but I've been uploading on my community space. If you have been following me, then I'm sure you've been seeing those pictures of things I've been uploading. Yeah, so one more time, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please go ahead and subscribe. Yes, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. You know I don't take your love for granted. Yes, I love you guys so much. Okay, so to the business of the day. Today I want to show you cleansers that's very effective and inexpensive to use for your acne, your dark spots, blemishes, sunburn. Yeah, so if you have been wondering on cleansers that you can use to curb these issues, this is the right place for you. So go ahead, stay tuned, make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be dropping some tips on how to use them and how to boost their effectiveness. Make sure you don't go anywhere. Okay, so most of these cleansers that I'll be reviewing here today, they are very effective and inexpensive. So if you are looking for cleansers that's effective, that will work for sunburn, for blemishes, for your acne, for dark spots, then stay tuned to this video. Make sure you watch till the end. Yes, so the first cleanser I'll be talking about today is the Vit Gold cleanser. This cleanser has up to like 5 or so variations of them, different variants. Okay, one thing, the very first thing I love about the Vit Gold product is that it's mild on the skin. It's very effective, super effective, but it's very mild on the skin. Like, who doesn't want to use a product that is super effective and at the same time mild on the skin? You are sure that this product is not going to cause any damage or harm to your skin. The Vit Gold is that product. Yes, it brightens the skin, but it's also very mild on the skin. Contains acids like lactic acid and some other very nice ingredients that are good for your skin. So if you're looking to brighten or lighten your dark spots, or you're looking for a cleanser that can help clear your sunburn, this Vit Gold works very well for all that purpose. Second cleanser I'm going to be mentioning is the Dermalis lotion. It's a cleanser, but it's called the lotion, Dermalis lotion. Okay, this is how it looks. Excuse me. It's very effective. This is a very like super effective cleanser. On its own, it whitens the skin. This cleanser is super effective. It lightens the skin and works to clear dark spots as well. It's super effective. Let me quickly read what it says in the description here. Cleans your skin in depth. It eliminates pigment irregularities and gives you a clear and even toned skin. Yes, that is true of this cleanser. It works so well. It can clear out your hyperpigmentation, sunburns, and all that. It can also work for your acne if you premix it right. Okay, this cleanser is super effective. So if you want to know the rest of the things I'm going to say about this cleanser, watch this video till the end. Okay, the next cleanser I'm going to talk about is the Skin Doctor cleanser. I love the Skin Doctor cleanser because it's my go-to for those that have extreme acne. Yes, it works for extreme acne, and yes, it also brightens the skin. It brightens the skin. Yes. Okay, let me just quickly say this before I continue. Right, most people come and they want cleansers for acne, for sunburn, for this, for that, and then they say, hope it's not going to lighten my skin, or hope it's not going to make me white. Yes, the truth of the matter is that cleansers are going to lighten your skin, right? Cleansers are going to brighten your skin. If you do not want them to give you that effect, the brightening or the lightening effect, then do not use all over your face. I'm going to say that again. Do not use a cleanser all over your face if you don't want the brightening or the lightening effect. Use only on the affected areas, right? If you're trying to clear a dark spot, like I have some dark spots on my face, I'm sure you can see them. Yes. And I don't want to lighten my face. I don't want that vavavoom lightening effect. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wet a cotton ball and then just apply it on those spots where I have those dark spots. That's how you treat those areas if you do not want the lightening or the brightening effect. Okay, so truth of the matter is cleansers are going to lighten your skin. Yes, they are going to lighten your skin. If you do not want that effect, like I said, use on only the affected areas or the spots where you are trying to treat. Okay, next cleanser toner I'm going to be talking about or reviewing today is the baby face cleanser. This one also comes in about 2-3 variations, right? The baby face cleanser works for acne, right, and for dark spots. It helps to lighten or fade dark spots. It's amazing. It's an amazing cleanser. Okay, the next cleanser is the Peau de Lune. This cleanser comes in about 3 variations. There's the green one, there's the pink one, and then there's this brown one. This brown one is the strongest of the 3 of them. This one works for brightening the skin, for whitening the skin. It tones the skin so well. Like Peau de Lune tones the skin so well. It gives this yellow tone, right, on your skin. Yeah, this yellow golden tone, and it's a lot of people I know love the yellow golden tone. So this cleanser gives the yellow golden tone. It works so well for acne. It fades dark spots. It works for sunburn. It works to clear blemishes. If you know your skin is you have a tough skin, then this is the one of the variations of Peau de Lune that you should go for. It works so well for the skin. It's very effective. Trust me, super effective. Okay, I don't have the green one and I don't have the pink one, but I'm going to put the picture so that you can see. The pink one is for normal to sensitive skin. If you know you have normal skin, yes, you can go for the green one. Then if you for the pink one, then if you know you have sensitive skin, the pink one is amazing for sensitive skin. That's the least, the one that is not as strong as this one. Like, should I say it's the weakest of the 3? Okay, but it works for sensitive skin. If you know, when I say sensitive skin, you know that you are prone to redness, you are prone to acne, you're prone to, you know, stuff, blemishes and all that, hyperpigmentations, then please go for the pink one. That's the one that you should use. If you know that when you put any product on your face or more like that, the thing don't show, then please go for the pink one. The green one you should, if you know you have normal skin, then you go for the green one. It works amazing. They clear acne and they clear sunburn. It lightens the face, fades dark spots. So yes, this cleanser nababa. So if you've not tried it before, go ahead and try it. Don't forget to leave me a comment in my comment section. Okay, so now to how to use, I think I mentioned it in the beginning, how to use these cleansers, right? If you know you don't want the lightening or the brightening effect that these cleansers give, okay, please use the cleanser on only the affected areas, on only those areas that you're trying to treat. If you know you're trying to treat dark spots, just take a cotton ball, wet it with a portion of the cleanser or the toner and put it on the spots so your whole face doesn't lighten, and then you come and say, now Aero Natural Simika use this cleanser. I beg you, this is why I'm telling you the how to use of these cleansers. Okay, like I said before, cleansers will brighten you, they will lighten your skin, they will tone your skin. But if you do not want the toning effect, please use on only the affected areas. This is our Kiss Me lip cream. It's amazing, moisturizes the lips so well. Now, if you want to boost the effectiveness of your cleansers or your toners, right, this is what you use. I'm sure you guys know this. I'm sure you know this miracle powder. It is miracle in a small bottle, in a small container. What you need to do is put half of your miracle powder in your cleanser. Say 100 ml, you're making 100 ml. Put half of this miracle powder into the cleanser and shake it up, and then it's ready for use. Yes, this is sellable. You can sell this as well, I mean the cleanser, after it's been made. Okay, so that's it. The miracle powder works for a whole lot of things. It works for burns, for stretch mark, for acne, for dark spots, you know, for dark knuckles. It's small but mighty. It's miracle in a small container, like the name says miracle powder. It's very, very effective. Yes, so please adhere to these tips that I have given in this video if you want to see amazing results. Yes, our ebook is out. We have over 50 effective, tested and trusted recipes in it, and it's selling for 19,999 naira. Okay, so please, I'm going to drop the link to my seller account or my seller store in the description box. Go ahead and purchase that ebook. Yes, the ebook is for beginners. Yes, you are looking to go into the skincare industries, for intending skincare formulators or therapists. Okay, yes, if you're already in the skincare industry, the ebook is also for you. It works. There are effective recipes that you can upgrade, that you can use as upgrade in your skincare game. Yes, so go ahead and purchase this ebook. It's selling for 19,999 naira. Okay, so I'm sure this video has been helpful to someone that has been thinking, this acne, how am I going to solve you? I'm sure this video has been helpful to you. If it has been helpful to you, go ahead and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel. I know this channel should have grown more than this, but because I've not been very consistent. Yes, that's why we're still where we are. So please just hit the button. If you have watched up to this point and you have still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do you want me to pack my load and come to your house and press the subscribe button myself? Okay, please go ahead and subscribe. It's totally free. Yes, YouTube is not going to charge you, neither will I. So please just subscribe and show me some love. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for always being here. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, let's know if you tried this and how it worked out for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.